Jim Rohn said, work hard on your job, but work harder on yourself. Most of the time, there are people who are working really hard on their jobs. Pero ramdam nyo, di ba na, minsan parang hindi kayo na-appreciate. Hindi na-value yung hard work nyo. Paulit-ulit lang yung ginagawa nyo. Walang masama kung empleyado ka ngayon. Pero habang empleyado ka, you can also work hard on yourself. While you are employed, walang masama kung mag-aaral ka ng bagong skill. Walang masama kung mag-aaral ka pa paano mag-invest. Walang masama kung you will improve yourself para maging mas valuable ka sa workplace or sa marketplace. Mas mabilis ka mapopromote. O kaya naman, habang nag-iipon ka pa lang, habang employed ka pa lang, you are growing as a person para pag nagtayo ka ng negosyo, ready ka na. Ang value nasa iyo. You have to build value for yourself. Kasi tandaan mo na kapag valuable ka, kusang susunod ang pera sa'yo. Work hard on yourself.